Now I'm going to talk about how groups are developed. There are certain stages that every groups have to go through. There is actually a 5-stage group development model. These are the 5 stages. This model characterizes groups as proceeding through the distinct stages of forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. The first is the forming stage. This stage is characterized by a great deal of uncertainty about the group's purpose, structure, and leadership. Members test the waters to determine what type of behaviors are acceptable. This stage is complete when members have begun to think of themselves as part of a group. Then we have the storming stage. The storming stage is one of intergroup conflict. Members accept the existence of the group but resist the constraints it imposes on individuality. There is a conflict over who will control the group. And when this stage is complete, there will be a relatively clear hierarchy of the leadership within the group. Then we have the norming stage. In the third stage, close relationships develop and the group demonstrates cohesiveness. There is now a strong sense of group identity and friendship. This norming stage is complete when the group structure solidifies and the group has assimilated a common set of expectations of what defines correct member behavior. Then we have the performing stage. The fourth stage is performing. The structure at this point is fully functional and accepted. Group energy has moved from getting to know and understand each other to performing the task at hand. For permanent work groups, performing is the last stage in the development. But there is also an adjourning stage for temporary committees, teams, task forces, and similar groups that have a limited task to perform. The adjourning stage is for wrapping up activities and preparing to disband. Some group members are upbeat in this stage, basking in the group's accomplishments, but others may be depressed over the loss of the friendship gained during the work group's life. There is also an alternative model for temporary groups with deadlines, but I am not going to discuss this right now. So that would be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today.